Hey, it's Leo Johnson from MarineMax. Today I am coming to you in front of a brand new in-stock 2025 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk, the unsinkable legend. This is one of the most legendary boats in existence. It's one of our favorites here at MarineMax. This particular one is loaded up with the light blue hull exterior color in gel. It's got the white graphics here. We've also done the teak package, the Bimini, the ski tow bar, and several other great options. Let's climb aboard and check it out. Stepping aboard this 170 Montauk, this boat is very well equipped, like I mentioned outside. We've got the rear seats here. We've got the 115 command thrust 4-stroke Mercury outboard here. This boat's also gonna have the ski tow bar. Got a 4-step telescoping ladder here with the teak package on this boat as well. Looks really sharp. As you come forward, this boat's gonna have a 4-position leaning post here where you can customize it to your liking. We've also optioned it with the livewell under the seat. Up at the helm, this boat's gonna have a great driving position with a stainless steel steering wheel, your throttle control here, and your trim. Got a JL Audio head unit for your stereo on this boat, tachometer with some gauges in it, as well as a Simrad NSX series screen. Last but not least, here at the helm, you're gonna have a couple controls for things like your horn and your navigation lights. This boat has the fishing package on it, so it's gonna have a little tackle box here on the starboard side of your console. It's a great option to have. In addition to that, you're also gonna have some rod holders up here in front of the helm and some seats here with your cushion. You've also got storage underneath the console here on your starboard side with access to your battery switch. Got 2 cup holders on either side for your forward passengers here. We've also optioned the forward cushion on this boat. This is removable for those days when you're fishing out on the water. We've also equipped the trolling motor pre-wire up at the bow. It's a great option. That's been a quick video overview of this in-stock 170 Montauk from Boston Whaler. We've got lots more to show you. If you have any questions about this particular boat or any others like it, give us a call, check us out at marinemax.com, or stop by today and we'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching.